Hi everyone, good morning. Today is 2025 February 23rd. It is the morning to start with the AI asking, learning. Let's have a look at the AI, but before we go to there, just a quick look at Bitcoin that I've been stalking, and I put my position in the place where it's very risky. Why? We'll go through that later. At least monthly still up in the sky. Weekly show more what monthly is in detail. Daily a lot more. We can see this is a sideways here. 4 hours, we're right in the middle of the squeeze. Okay, this is where I'm getting in because I was trying to test the water. I was thinking to scalping, that's all. A quick scalp. Friday, Thursday, busy, and I put the position in 1-to-1. I want to just get in and out, so this is somewhere my position. We're going back to that later. Let's go. Oh, what the heck. Let's get one picture. Let's start from 1 hour. Make it bigger. 1 hour. Bigger please. Okay. This is 1 hour. This is what I mean. Here we are right in the middle. Not exact, but you know, this is fighting now. Squeeze. And my position is just here. 1-to-1. My position from Friday drag over to until today. I wait to move my stop loss down, but since it doesn't take any new position in the new level, I can't move my stop loss. They all, it's possible that they can come and get my stop loss hunt before a real breakout move down. This is what the AI telling me after I asked him for the advice. Where is it today? Okay, since I have to sit and type a long things, communicate with the AI to start the day with, and this is the things that AI help me with. Key position to monitoring. Like, you can come back and reading later. To read it right now, it would take so much time. Just come back. I just trying to find a way how to use this technology effectively. So that's about the AI. Go back to 1 hour. 4 hours. This guy is big compared to this. It's his turn now, and this guy also have to say something. Right in the middle, that's where my position is. I would like to have it up here, somewhere away from this guy, or this guy, or this guy. There are a level that could give me a problems. This is 4 hours. I'm trying to look for divergence. Look, it's coming. This not following. This green. Always touch this 20% level. But this one is high. So it's possible a divergence to go back to the north. And my selling will be jeopardized, will be in danger. Let's make it bigger. You see? Here, 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 divergent. Oh no, I just see this. Crazy. Okay, this is the daily. Daily is still on the sideway, not clear cut when they gonna break. Okay, let's go back. This come very high now. Daily. So where am I? 1 hour, back to 1 hour. You know, this is this sideway market. This one, when is this? So I have to go back to Friday. This is 1 hour chart. What time is about? Doesn't show here, but anyway, I know it's about New York market. Let's go back to the calendar. To the calendar. Economic calendar. Friday, February. Last Friday I was working, busy. I can't sit with the chart. Cannot even come and check with the news. Now I have my chance. Japanese was good, and GBP more green. No time to look at the thing here yet. Come back and look at it later, but quick look through, just green. GBP is good, keep that in mind. Japanese is good, green, keep that in mind. Even though we don't have time to check here now, but stop the video and come back to it. I have to save the time. Euro is good, and good and bad in euro. What is bad? Okay, PMI was bad, 48 to 44. Okay, euro good and bad. We keep that in mind. It at about morning London market, all this euro, we check that with the chart. What happened about London market 10 o'clock, 12 Canadian at New York open. Canadian is good news for them, green. Euro speak. US PMI, today is the PMI day. US PMI day, good and bad. And okay, more or less no significance, said it will go to one direction. Good and bad mix, all everything. 18 hours and oils and things like that. This is good to know, but we have no time to go through here. Stop the video and come back to it. We go back to the chart, and this is what happened. Good and bad. The result of the candle show this strong intent of seller trying to sell this. And why I put in here, because last Friday I say, what the heck, I gonna scalp and I gonna go quick in and out. The result, like, it dragged me, it hold me a hostage until today. But I still not in red, okay, just a little bit to see Okay. If I go down one step further to 15 minutes, can see closer. Here my position, stop loss. I won't move my stop loss down until this guy bridge over this line, and by then my take profit will be considered, or just take a profit. If that's so, if it's still running, I move my take profit further down here, or I jump in again, add position. By the way, how the chart looks, we will see. That's the 15 minutes. If we go down to 5 minutes, that opening market at midnight until now, challenge this guy. Show me more what you can do, buyer here. He did before, but when he look at this strong candle approaching his level, I bet some of them will run away. Close position, taking profit before they been wiped out. Seller comes strong. My taking profit not so far away. Look at that, coming very strong. If we go to 3 minutes, you will see some rejection. Buyer also here. Show me more what buyer can do. Busy with look at the candles here. Look at the stochastic oversold area. Should bounce back. That's 3 minutes. Look at the whole sequence. And well, we already talked to him this morning. We'll take him away. I get more real estate for my chart, for my screen. You have to look at the sequence right. We are very top of the monthly. Weekly, daily, weekly, daily. This should be 4 hours, so it's best to check before. Oh no, not there. Here, 4 hours here, please. And here back to 1 minute or 3 minutes. I have no time to get the 3 in. So our sideways market, more action here. Can see close look at 15 minutes approaching. What happened to 5 minutes? Is there any buyer coming? In 1 minute, one buyer candles come. Just now, not yet. Candle close, it paint green, and then doji, and this candle starting now. So this is 1 minute. We'll see what happened. Let's look at my email. What I'm looking for here, I'm looking for the alert that I didn't have time to check it. So on the 21st, today is 23rd, on 21st Friday, I'm looking for the first alert, USJPY. Let's go and look at it. USJPY Friday, price alert at 149.3, 149. We go to USJPY just now. Aussie JPY monthly, New Zealand JPY, no, weekly, look, sequence in weekly. That's US JPY monthly. We go to weekly, daily, 149. That's the price alert last Thursday. Double check from my email. 149.3 at the time 23:25 on the 20, which is on Thursday. So this is the price daily. Thursday will be Friday, Thursday will be this candle touching this. That's why they keep the alert there to go down to 1 hour, 4 hours. Let's see, 4 hour touch, crucial level. This memory for the price to react, possible given issue. Divergent check. Look at this. This is not, price is not follow, possible to go up, but it's very strong downhill. So we'll give it more time for the confirmation. Japanese 4 hours. Let's look at 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour. This is Friday, Thursday. The Japanese touched this level for the first time to alert me to look at this. So we have it a look. We check from last Thursday, from here to here. No, this is a Friday morning. Last Thursday, 149, somewhere around here. Okay, 149 touch, price alert. What happened? I have to look at it again. My brain seems not to read this right. Look, 20 February 2005, 23 o'clock 25. I mean Thursday at the market closing or market opening. That's my question. Let's close. But anyway, this 149.34, that's what we have to looking for. The day doesn't matter. 149.34. Let's go back there. 149.1. Somewhere around here. 0.5 now. Somewhere around here. That they are alert. And if this is the Friday, 23.3, should be somewhere, should be this candle. Okay, I think this is the candle there. So what we look at, they come back to the price before touching leg 1. If it's count as this range that they break out to this area zone, sideways market, for the first time. So of course they will go for the second try, give the second leg. The second leg have not shown any sign of stopping at 1 hour chart. We are now just come to the weekly of a whole sequence. If this a big player want price to discount or looking for more buyers or more seller who will willing to sell it for them at the lower price, they would like to be happy to go. And at this, it's just a squeezing area where the buyer would say, if I'm not that desperate, look at me, my volume is reduced. Before it was this big, and now big at this area where the seller pounding up. Is this the sign of the market will have a momentum to surge up north for the next level? This is a all over time high, Aussie JPY, all time high. And this is like they're pulling back, strong pulling back. Is it a good price enough for the buyer? That's the question. First try to get through here, not success. Seller get nothing. Once it get to this price, everybody want to buy. That's the first time. Second time, how far they can go. If they reach this guy, they cannot reach to him, and it's break into 2 leg, 1 leg, 2 leg. First try, second try, not even break this key level for the next level. We have to get through this guy, but whenever it come close to this guy, just the first gate at this lower of the candle, they got smashing down back to the center of both parties, that they have to now negotiate, which is means sideways market. Or if the sellers want to sell extreme desperate, they will give more discount price for the buyer. They're looking for buyer now, and this is the seller market. They're looking for the buyer, which is mean they have to give discount price. That's the weekly. And here detail, they coming back, seller come back to the same price. They want to see if the buyer still react the same way they was before. And now we don't see anything, so no sideways market here. And keep going down, we're looking for something, like we will find something. But be aware, this is the area of the daily waiting for. And will the daily respond here, because it's the center of everything. If this is the square, this is the center, and try not to buy close to this seller territory, which is first one here, and they come to there to challenge this price again. So better sell from here or buy from here. So not touch this. keep going down to 4 hour back. And now look at this. They create the lake whenever they pull back and whenever they move further beyond what they're supposed to do. Here they're supposed to put the price lower than this guy to arrest this guy, but they not yet get anything without a fight. This guy fight back with so tiny. Are they afraid of these two lake that coming down, which is, when you look at the higher time frame, this will be just one red candle. Are they afraid? In detail, they are very strong compared to this left side. But once they got to here, a little bit buyer coming, not promising, doesn't look strong, weak, and the seller arrest this but not go through this level. That's 1 hour. Okay? Yeah. Let's go down to 15 minutes. A range create. Back to 1 hour again. I want to see clearly on the left side, nobody there on 1 hour. 4 hour. This guy, this trade belong to these 4 hours, more or less. And the 4 hours need time to show up what they intend to do. Are they gonna keep their post, or they're gonna just strike back without sideways market? That shows how strong the move is. Right now they're gonna do a small range, I think, in the future, near soon future, which is, we have to wait and see. This is the 4 hours. Go back to 1 hour. See, buyer when they come here, just only 2 candles, but seller are so strong. They can overdrive, kill this level, and see if they can maintain underneath, below this level. That is 1 hour. We go down to 15 minutes. This is just USJPY that I get a signal from Friday before the market opening. Now, okay, the Sunday, nobody here, no big player is here, so no big strong push by the big player for the weekend. It's just scalping and no further move. Nobody move Sunday, but you never know. This is Bitcoin. Some people at the weekend not things to do, they probably sit and do this. We'll see. That's the 15 minutes. Just a little bit hicks up, bouncing. Go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is the I get confused. I thought this Bitcoin, but this is USJPY that we analysis, make the PA looking back, hindsight, to see what had happened last Friday market closing. This is the news that we just check. Euro good, new GBP good. Euro good and bad, GBP good and bad, I don't know. That's JPY, US JPY, just one pair so far. We have to put this back to weekly sequence so I don't get confused. Put all back together. So where was US JPY is here in the middle of the range. The other one, Aussie JPY, is in the bottom of the range. Here, if that is the range. New Zealand JPY look more or less the same. Euro JPY is at the bottom. You know, the big player looking for a discount price. So what I'm looking for now is like looking for the good price, the lower price to buy. I don't want to buy expensive. CAD JPY, is this lower enough? I have to see this the candle to read. When the big player come, I mean, do they give a sign or a signal or some candle that I can read? CAD JPY, switch from JPY. Okay. Confirmation. That's the word I'm looking for. Bitcoin also up in the sky, and even though this one say going down, but where is the candle that going down with? I wait for them to touch my yellow line, my alert. So far, this is New Zealand sequence in weekly. We go down more. Okay, JPY daily sequence. Who is the lowest at the far bottom? That could be the movement to the next level, the leading. Question is, are the Japanese yen keep strong and stronger? Move the price down. This is the first time they did that. This is daily. How many months? Here we are, back to the level where they're supposed to step in, move the price up again, but not yet confirmation. It just moved the price leg 1 sideways, leg 2 doesn't go anywhere, hovering around. That's price at present price. If I look at this is a big V formation. The buyer comes to test the strength of the seller V. The seller V said, I will not let go easily. I come that far. At least let me have the second try. So I call this first test, because the test get nowhere. Come back, try second, try a little bit stronger, get a little bit higher, but so far inside of the seller market, this guy responsible. So right now the market is selling JPY, Aussie JPY. They dumped Aussie according to correlation to another pair across the board. JPY is strong, dump every pair down. At first test, second test, want to dump more, not possible. Second test fail. Let's see, the fight here. Will they push down? If these ones fail, according correlation, we have to wait and see for the confirmation that pullback failure, pullback second time fail to move low, to put in new low. It takes time to set up. So this is daily for Aussie JPY, New Zealand JPY, Aussie JPY, 5 and stable at the support. Same. This is monthly. Let's move them down to weekly. Monthly is the father of all. Okay, this is the weekly. Same like Aussie JPY. Look at it again. This big. Are we in daily? Yes. This is weekly. Please go to daily. Okay. Same. Daily come to weekly. Weekly come to daily. Daily. Next GBP's JPY is the same. Test 1, test 2. Are they do the same thing? Aussie JPY. Test 1, test 2. Sideways. About to break. But wait and see if the buyer coming back. Test 1, test 2. Sideways. About to break out. But there's resistance. This green guys, his first time to sign something not going well. Concern. Euro JPY. First test, second test. This is more Euro JPY thing. More stronger to bouncing back up, challenge the 100% inside the range. But anyway, they are managed to move down. This is the daily. I have to double check if it's the daily. Well, okay, no mistake. All sequence, it's daily. GBP is same. First try, second set, not yet through. Their job is to make a lower low, because it is the seller market. That's right, they need to make a new low. US JPY, that's what we has the first alert for. Said we have to check this 149 price, 149 price, and we are at 149 price. We cannot just sell when it's touched. We have to read. So what it is, the chart give, it is a seller market. The seller have a first test here, second test here, mean to get through this guy and come to the test of the buyer too. Test 1, seller test quite strong, but not strong enough. Buyer come back, push up, get over this guy, kill, maintain ground, fell, slightly drop back. The seller gave more discount, trying to bridge to the guy who started, get the guy, first guy done. Second guy see come, See the big red candle come? Will he stay or he will run away? That's a question. USJPY, that seems like we have the alert for the USJPY as if it is one of the pair that I put the radars on. That's the daily. The big guys. Buyer, where are they? Are they coming back? Is it the same? We waiting, and the weekend come and market close here, so we have to wait for the Monday, Tuesday switch come first, JPY come after. That means the switch is supposed to pull back because they're the strong currency above all. If they drop, mean they are weak, or I would say they're not weak. They are the higher time frame taking a break, pull back to get in when appropriate times come. Next one is Bitcoin daily. They pull back, not deep enough to bridge my line, my warning line. So that's the daily. Go back to the sequence. Alright, that's JPY daily. So JPY 4-hour sequence. Look at the last candle of every chart. It's red, but red reached to the level where the higher time frame waiting for, especially the daily, are the father of the 4-hour time frame. So just get a quick look from JPY, one single shot. It look like at the bottom of the range. New Zealand JPY at the bottom of the range. You see here this block here, this here, and the bottom, the beginning. Return, they return to visit this guy, but this guy buyer not respond anything yet, and they have a quick peak divergent too. GBP JPY is more or less the same from here, trying to break through this level. The first time fell. This second try, we'll see if they can make through. USJPY, it's the same. Touch this guy. That's the equation. When it gonna solve out. Cat JPY, same. Test second. Switch round come first. Switch round taking a break. How long break you want to take? First break, second break, or test 1, test 2. Where is test 2? So that's question mark. Switch round is a long break now. Want to see smaller in details, even smaller. Oh no, not bigger, smaller. Okay, this is the 4 hours in the small, very tiny graphs to squeeze out every detail far to the left side. That's many years there was here. This guy didn't get the prize. Once they reach here, they haven't get this prize. So they have to go down to get this prize because they think they're not ready to make the market move more further. Before to do that, they need to release this guy who's stuck here and trying to move a few legs down to make this circle complete and then pull back. That's what I can see. Let's put back and be aware. And this thing, I have my alert waiting. If they are here, I will be noticed. Is this look like a big range? More or less, yeah. But anyway, the intent of the buyer and seller show that the seller are more strong. Many legs. And there are 2 times first bottom rejection, second bottom rejection, third bottom rejection. So double bottom, but this is triple bottom. It's time to go up, but I want the confirmation, sideways market or at least something. That's switch from JPY, switch from taking a break. Okay, that's a Bitcoin again. Bitcoin 4 hours. Stay on this sideways market quite some time. Long enough so I can't wait. I put one scalp position in. After I put in, they hold me hostage for quite some time. This is where I get in. Here, at least I get in where on the top of the range, if this small range is the range, okay? So they will come and get me, and then I don't know what happened. My take profit here, stop loss here a little bit further away, because if they're coming back to get me, my stop loss hunt, I'll be gone. I give it the room, 1-to-1 more or less, and if I keep it a long term, I believe in this long big 2 candle from the last Friday. Is the news come, mean they have purpose to stay and move further down to release this guy down here. My stop loss is very close, and if I believe that it would move further beyond, I will take from scalp to be invest style of trading. I mean, hold long enough as 1 or 2 weeks, and look at this divergent. No, not divergent, but this one here and this one here.